I nominated Dawn and her team as they have a passion for apprenticeships, for supporting their team members. We've actually worked with Achieve together for 12 years, but over the last couple of years, the Achieve have really focused down on the impact of apprenticeships within their organisation. They've introduced career adventures, which is obviously very exciting for their team members, because this allows them to see where their career takes them to. So they have a pathway for their career.
I'm Dawn Buchanan-Hull. I'm one of the Learning and Development Managers at Achieve Together. I've been here for around 14 months now. We are so pleased to be a finalist. It's such a great recognition for all those staff members who have enrolled and completed their apprenticeship. And we are so very, very proud to be shortlisted this year by Paragon.
I'm Owen Spencer, Business Development Manager. My main responsibility within the organisation is partnering with businesses across various sectors to support them with their training and development goals, and putting in purposeful training plans into their organisation to either upskill their workforce or introduce apprentices to their organisations. I've nominated Norse Group because their investment in apprenticeships and staff training has been amazing. They've got great plans ahead of them to invest in apprenticeships, and it's great to be part of their journey.
My name's Kirsty Shanahan. I'm a learning and development specialist. We've been working with Paragon Skills for the last few years. Started off with quite a few niche apprenticeship programs, and then we wanted to develop our care provision. So working closely with Paragon, Owen as our account manager, we've developed a way of working and collaborating to provide the best opportunities for our care employees. It means a great deal to be a finalist in the Paragon Skills Apprenticeship Awards. I think for me it comes from opportunity to build relationships further, collaborate on a wider scale across Norse and then with Paragon as well. It provides more opportunity to our learners through exposure, shared stories and experiences. And for us, the heart is the learning journey, and we want that to be as successful and as beneficial as possible for our apprentices.
My name's Assad. I'm the Learning and Development Specialist for Norse, and specifically Norse Care, and I've been working with Paragon for around 5 to 6 months. Being a finalist in the Paragon Skills Apprenticeship Awards is a fantastic nod to our relationship with Paragon. A real effort has been made to get that relationship to work brilliantly, and that's largely thanks to Owen and Kirsty. It's an opportunity to upskill our existing staff, nurture the new talent for the future, and it's a real testament to the assessors and the colleagues that we work with at Paragon.